started about 15 years back,
Okay.
and coincidentally we went to Australia, and we went there for a residency. But the time that I had to spend at home was really boring, because I had 3 children and all 3 of them used to go to school, and I had nothing else to do but cry, and just cooking. And when you're abroad, you don't have much work to do. So then I planned to join a beauty school. So I joined a beauty school. The reason I joined a beauty school was that my mother was in this field as well.
Okay.
She's a cosmetologist, and she was in America when I was young. So I used to see what my mother was doing, and she used to work in a salon as well. And then she started at home.
Okay.
Then we shifted to Saudi Arabia, and she had a salon, and I used to see her work. So that also inspired me a lot. So I thought this is a better thing to do as a woman. And while you're home, you can do the same thing. You can work at home. And my children were young when I started this work. And when I came back to Pakistan, I started from a single room in my house. And because I specialized in skin,
Okay.
so I only did skin from home. And I did facials just from home only when my kids weren't, when they were at school. And I did the pick and drop, I did the cooking, I did everything. Along with that, I did the salon work as well.
Oh.
So once my children grew up and I was out of the pick and drop, system, then my work also grew. And then I thought it's better that now I start something outside of the house, because थोड़ी सी responsibilities are मेरी घर में कम होती थी.
Okay.
So then I started a salon here. Well, things have changed drastically because I have my basic education from America when I was young.
Okay.
Because my mother was a cosmetologist and she was working there. I had my basic education there, and then once when I came back to Pakistan, then we went to Australia when I got married. So I did all my studies there, and the concepts of abroad, of the European countries, are totally different than what we have in Pakistan. I go for my refreshers every 6 months, and I do advanced courses in skin and all. And times have really changed. एक हमारे यहाँ जो कॉन्सेप्ट है कि आपने जो एक फेशियल करना है वो 1 घंटे 1.5 घंटे का होना चाहिए. अगर 1 घंटे 1.5 घंटे का नहीं होगा तो इसका मतलब है कि आपने पूरा टाइम नहीं दिया क्लाइंट को. बट अब ट्रेंड्स ये आ गए हैं कि 1 घंटे का फेशियल जो है 20 मिनट्स में, बेटर देन द फेशियल दैट्स बीइंग डन इन 1 hour. You're getting excellent results in 20 minutes. Why? Because we're doing it with machines. We're doing it with products which give excellent results in just 5 minutes. Well, Allah का शुक्र है कि इस लिहाज से I haven't faced anything as yet, because when I was brought up, I was eldest. I had 1 brother with 3 sisters. So एक वो मुझे इतना वो मुझे नहीं हुआ feel, and now I have 3 sons माशाल्लाह से. वो मुझे क्योंकि बेटी नहीं है तो शायद मुझे इसलिए नहीं करना पड़ा. But around my surroundings, I feel there are a lot of problems which girls are facing because of this male dominant society. और वो male dominancy इतना pressure ले आती है कि औरतें at times बाकी बहुत परेशान हो जाती हैं. If you're working from home, तो I think home ये जो आपका घर का काम है वो भी एक full time job है. और अगर आप उसमें पिक एंड ड्रॉप कर रहे होते हैं और बाकी बाहर की एक्सेसरीज कर रहे होते हैं और काम कर रहे होते हैं, उसमें जो मेल्स आपको मिलते हैं ख़ास तौर पे दुकानदार की सूरत में या किसी बैंकर की डीलिंग में, तो ज़ाहिर है वो आदमी ही होते हैं ना. बट टाइम्स हैव चेंज्ड. आई थिंक दे हैव गॉटन क्वाइट बेटर नाउ. वेल, आई थिंक द लेडीज रियली हैव टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट. सबसे पहले तो एजुकेशन, आई थिंक दे हैव टू बी एजुकेटेड, नॉट ओनली मैट्रिक और ओ लेवल, बट एक बेसिक हमारा जो एक एजुकेशन का लेवल है वो इंटर का तो होना चाहिए. ओ लेवल्स ए लेवल्स तो फिर थोड़ी सी ज़रा हाई इनकम लोगों में आ जाता है. बट गर्ल्स दीज डेज आई फाइंड दे आर क्वाइट कॉन्फिडेंट बिकॉज दे वांट, एंड आई थिंक दे आर बेटर देन बॉयज नाउ. What do you think? I think they're better than boys now. I think the mothers really have to change their attitude towards their children, the sons, क्योंकि हम उनके ऊपर पूरी एक नजर नहीं रख पाते. We don't keep an eye on them to what they're doing. ठीक है, लड़का है, इसको जाने दो बाहर, कोई बात नहीं. हमारे टाइम में ये होता था कि जब मगरिब से पहले everyone has to be home. अब वो मगरिब का कॉन्सेप्ट, ईशा का कॉन्सेप्ट खत्म हो चुका है. तो थोड़ा सा it depends on the mothers. They have to keep an eye on the children. क्योंकि देखिए फादर्स तो लगे होते हैं अपने काम में और उनका तो काम है सुबह से लेकर शाम तक. They're the breadwinners. But these days, ladies, mothers are also breadwinners of the house. जब तक दो नहीं काम करते, you can't have a proper lifestyle. So उसमें I think mothers really have to work hard on their children, especially boys. कि उनके ऊपर नजर रखी जाए कि what they're doing, where they are. So they're probably, I think we're supposed to educate them properly. उनको घर की environment इतनी अच्छी मिलनी चाहिए कि उनको पता होना चाहिए कि हमने बहन की या लड़की की इज्जत हमने किस तरीके से करनी है. बहनों की इज्जत तो हर कोई कर लेता है, बट एक लड़की जो है उसको how to treat her. Okay, the youth I think should understand, खास तौर पे the male members जो हैं कि you have to grow out to be healthy men in that respect. You respect the women outside who are working. You should respect the lady who's working with you in that environment. And I think the girls also, should be confident enough to take them as their male members working in their environment. जब एजुकेशन एक अच्छी हो जाती है, जब आप एक हायर लेवल पे कोई एजुकेशन में आप पढ़ लेते हैं, तो वहाँ पे एक डिफरेंस ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाता है. The mothers or parents should be encouraged कि अच्छे को-एजुकेशन में अगर आप पढ़ाएंगे तो वहाँ पे लड़का और लड़की की इकट्ठी जो बॉन्डिंग होती है वो उनको पता चल जाता है कि हमने रिस्पेक्ट कहाँ करनी है और किस लेवल तक लेके जानी है. I have a lot of clients coming to me, especially young girls and even ladies coming to me. The bosses, they're harassing the girls, even if it's in the lift, even if it's in the office, they're alone, and those bosses are really harassing them, which I think is a pity for the elderly people. कि आप एक बच्चियों को आज़ादी से अगर आप काम करने दें, वो भी तो घर से निकली हैं किसी न किसी वजह से, और अगर उन्होंने पढ़ लिया है तो उनका राइट बनता है कि वो एक तरीके से काम करें, सेफ एनवायरनमेंट में काम करें. The basic idea which I want to convey is a girl should be allowed to work in a safe environment. If she gets out of the house to work and she's an educated girl, so please let her work in a safe environment and don't harass her bila wajah.